Hey guys, John with Gray Duck Dent Repair in Minnesota here. Today we've got a very special project. Customer shop here. And he's got a number of dents on his 67 Nova. Four dents in the roof. A real good one in the quarter panel here. We get to work on this. See if we can't get her back to beautiful. You can see that nasty dent in the quarter panel. But it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. It's not original metal, so it's a little bit thinner than you would have had in 67, but still a little bit thicker than what we're used to dealing with today. So I am heating that panel up just to make sure that paint is pliable. Have obviously gone over with the customer that there is a likelihood of this paint cracking because it's not a factory paint job. So there is a number of risks associated with that. There's also a number of things we can do to mitigate that risk, i.e. the heat, softer tip tools, slow and steady as we go here. So I'll pan around, get some good shots of the damage here, and I'll definitely show you how it turns out when she's done. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe here. We got more videos coming up. More fun to be had. So thanks much. Here we go. Thing to scratch the paint. This has been quite a challenge. Impact points are very sharp here, so I've been going pretty slow on that. Normally I would just attack it with a sharp tip tool. Thickness of the metal and the age on the paint, taking the slow and steady approach. So hopefully it'll come back nicely, but we're making great progress so far. extremely good. No cracking in the paint, and I tell you what, you really can't find those dents. Couldn't be happier with the results. And yeah, good the customer. So all in all, a great repair. 67 Nova completed. So if you do have dents or dings, give Grey Duck Dent Repair Minnesota a call. 651-492-DENT. Thanks for watching.